beautiful people. Is there one and only Lady J? Or if you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, today matter now about one guy where they kidnap people. Now I want to talk about today, my darling people. You get one guy, this guy, they go kidnap girls. He go toast girls for Facebook. Now because of una wey dey gree for guys for Facebook wey dey Naija there. Now because of una now they do this video today. Some ogbonge people more na sit down, more na listening from the starting to the ending. I go see put the video where the guy take talk. This guy they go dey kidnap people. He go tell them say he like them, those girls, they go gree for am for phone. So he go tell them say see hotel and a baby girls in they always the toast, you understand? He go come tell them say see the hotel where he want for see them, the girls will come agree for am. So when they come reach the day where the girls go come, they will come kidnap them. They'll come use big money to release their self. So this guy don dey do am ever since. Anytime we just see any new girl for Facebook, he will come tell them the hotel where they want stay, and those girls go still pay for the hotel. Make you know say if they look them before he go come talk to them, because he know say those kind girls they go gree for am. You understand? So after the dog gree through that phone, then you come tell them say see the day when they want come those girls to come say okay. Then if they can't come, this guy now go come force them, jogodo them. After he don jogodo them finish, he go still come kidnap them, join them. So now wetin him come dey do ever since. So now know say e get one parable where they say every day for the thief, one day for the owner. So this guy don dey do this thing ever since. He don make money inside, but e no fit stop. Una know say wetin pikin don learn, e don learn am. To come stop am, e go come be problem. So he don dey do this thing ever since, my darling people. Una lis ten o. So na the day wey they come finally catch am now, when he come dey confess now, he come still go carry one girl again, one big girl. So this one sef, he say na him pay for the hotel wey two of them for see. So as he come dey wait for the girl, so the girl come finally come. So as the girl come, after he don force the girl, jogodo the girl, do everything with the girl finish, he come still come kidnap him. After he don jogodo the finish, my darling people, man, don't forget this one. He go come set camera. He go set camera. So when he go come set camera, these girls, after the dog come out, you go send and give them for phone, say see your body, your naked picture. So after I go don talk that one, then the girls now go come talk say, the girls now go come begin dey beg am. I beg you, come say see money wey una go bring. If una not bring this money, I don't go release una. So they will come bring the money. So when they will come bring the money, say this one now where they take cash am, so 300,000, and this one bring for am. Not be the ones where if they collect from those girls before. So you come tell them say how much they go pay. So those girls now go come pay the money. So if they don't pay, then before he now go come tell them say okay, I not go share the picture for Facebook again. No, those one will come the time come. So this one now when he come finally carry now, and this one now he can't take stop him now. This one now 300,000. I say this one go pay. So this one now that we don't pay the 300,000, you don't know say police they are around. So now so they can't take cash the guy. So he can begin to confess now. Say see what in they do with girls where in the carry. I say some guys they terrible for this world though. Some guys they wicked them really, like seriously. As you go to do that kind of thing to your own fellow black, your own fellow human being, it's not good at all. You understand? So now wetin this guy don dey do ever since na be this one. Now I say make I come tell my ogbonge people more na say lis ten to this matter. Say see wetin this guy dey do, this kidnapper, and still dey carry people naked picture say he wan share am. So na wetin him dey do ever since, but God come finally catch am now. So my ogbonge people, please help me to share the video. Let the video go viral, because wetin dey come dey happen for this world we no understand. So I go put the video now more on list to my darling people. Thank you everybody. Please share the video for me. Let the video go viral. Thank you.
From Rivers State. I will be 23 on the 8th of September. So I've been into this Instagram for several years, and so I meet females online and I tell them about hookup. So when they accept, they pay connection fee, they pay their flight from wherever they are to Port Harcourt, they pay hotel and everything. After having sex, I leave them stranded in the hotel and run away. So some of them, they will call me, I will tell them I'm no more interested in this scam. So some of them, I will not tell them they should send money for me to delete their nude pictures. So that is it for all now.
How much do you charge? Do you drug them?
No, I don't drug anybody.
How much do you ask them to bring that ransom?
No specific amount. Some pay 100, some 50, some. Like the girl that made them arrested me, she sent 300,000.
All your victims, you must sleep with them.
Not all.
So those your victims, you don't know who is pregnant.
No, ma.
How do you make it?
Flourishing Josephine.
So why are you into this business? Why are you into this business? Why?
You guys don't let me help. Listen, gentlemen. Listen. I think you need to understand something. He doesn't need to drug them to sleep with him. This guy presents himself as Flourishing Josephine on Instagram. Once you have cut out a deal with him, he will refer you to his agent called Clarkson, who is still Flourishing Josephine. And then Clarkson, at this stage, once the deal is consummated, you pay a connection fee. You are giving someone who is probably a big boy in Shell, a big boy in any other oil company, or even a big political player, and then you are promised $10,000. You fly in, you buy your ticket, because the money being paid to you is much. The last victim, what happened to the last victim? Did she buy her ticket?
Yeah, she bought her ticket.
She flew from where to where?
From Abuja to Port Harcourt.
She flew from Abuja to Port Harcourt.
Yes,
who paid for the hotel?
She was one that paid for the hotel.
Now at this stage, you are in a hotel, you are waiting for the big boy, and then Flourishing Josephine, dressed properly, now walks in. So this is the final stage of the job. So he comes in now as engineer
Roland.
Engineer Williams, Engineer Abedi, and any other thing. So he walks in and he introduces himself. Oh, I'm the one that Clarkson told you about. And then the deal goes on.
Yes,
true or false?
True.
So at this stage, he doesn't need to drug you. There is what you call consensus addendum, and then they go on and have their sexual intercourse or whatever they want to do, and thereafter he steps out and says things like, he's a big boy, so he said he wanted to pick up something from the car, and then he elopes. And from that moment,